NCAA football 13 here with the first women to ever play in NCAA football 13, Sparkle Ming, out of Chinatown, Michigan, or Detroit. Number 16, she is a niece of Yao Ming, the big 7'6" footer in the NBA. Field safety. Let's see how she does. There's a sack on the play. They go with the option, and she gets the tackle at the 1-yard line. We do stop her. The first girl to ever play in an NCAA football game. She gets a fast return, and we are up 21-0. They go deep, and nothing goes. And the defensive line does its job and gets the sack. She is Asian. One of the toughest girls in the high school, at the high school. They go for a motion guy, and they do complete the pass. That was my forward play. She's not a good coverage lady. The rush comes, and the quarterback for their team throws out of bounds. They throw a nice little flash, and the wide receiver gets popped. And the defense does its job and gets the sack. This is her first year playing football, but she says she likes to get out there and light up boys. We get the sack again. They go for the quick slant, and we do get the tackle. They throw it deep, and they do get pass, but we do tackle them. She gambled, and she got caught for it. We go with a draw, and our defensive line stops them. They go with a little flat, and he gets tackled. They make the field goal, and now they kick off. Sparkle lights somebody up. Second half. Nice game for Sparkle. She is not intimidated by the big fellas. They throw it middle, they do get the first down. They go with the draw. She gets the tackle. They go with the screen, and Sparkle gets the tackle. She gets in and gets the tackle. They go for the punt. She gets it. She goes in. She takes it outside, and she's in the open. She comes back in. She comes back out, and is down at the 30-yard line. Nice return by Sparkle. She tries to blitz, and they find a wide open guy, but they do not complete the pass. We go to rush, and this team is not getting anything on us. Now it's funny time. Our defense has showed up big. She gets the punt, goes offside, cuts back, and gets tackled. Now it's defense time, trying to light somebody up. It goal all the way to the sideline. It should have been intercepted, but he couldn't get there. They go deep, and it's too far thrown. They go on the sideline. The receiver catches it and they get a first down. Now Sparkle is mad. She is about to get in there and light the quarterback up. She gets a good opportunity, but she gets blocked. She's going in again. She breaks the tackle. They go with a little swing. And defense does its job. And now we start the fourth quarter. She goes in and gets the big hit on the quarterback. As we look at the replay, she goes in strong. Those are, looks like her game stats. Gets the big hit on the quarterback. Lightning spotlight. She finds a crease and almost gets an opening for the touchdown. And she will be out for the game. And that is the game. Thanks for watching.